Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Samsung. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. Then pick a date. You can turn on auto sync if you wish to. I don't, so I will go with cancel. And now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. After that, create an event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. And now you can adjust it however you wish to. Over here, for example, add a title and change color. I will go with red. Now you can also pick starting hour or ending one, or disable this feature completely by choosing the switcher next to all day. Over here you can also take notes, invite people from your contact book, select if you wish to set up notifications, minutes, hours or days before your event. I will go with 2 days before. Over here select location. And even tap on don't repeat and select one of those options, for example, every year. When you're ready, you need to save your event by clicking on save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on it over here, and then choosing edit at the bottom. Now make your changes. For example, I will go with don't repeat, and save them by choosing save at the bottom right corner again. Now you need to select all events in the series, and as you can see, my event was edited. If you wish to get rid of it, you can also click on it, but this time select delete icon at the bottom right corner and choose move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!